Want to rebrand your school community group? It's easy. First, log into your school admin dashboard using a web browser or the mobile app. Then, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found via a gear icon. Within Settings, click on the Branding tab. Here, you'll find a field labeled Community Name. Simply edit the name in this field. Remember, there's a character limit of 100, but you can use emojis and special characters. Once you're happy with the new name, click Save Changes. The update is instant, visible across your community page, notifications, and member emails. Note, free tier users have a limit of 2 name changes per month, while premium plans offer unlimited edits. Also, be mindful of prohibited terms. Skool's AI filters ensure compliant naming. If you run into any issues, the Skool Help Center is available to help. Keep these tips in mind when choosing a name. Preview changes in a test environment if possible, and always notify your community members of the upcoming change to avoid confusion. The online community space is booming, and rebranding is increasingly tied to monetization. Some communities use dynamic names for seasonal campaigns. By 2026, Skool plans to integrate blockchain for decentralized community ownership, potentially allowing member-voted name changes. Experts predict a growth in AI-assisted features, such as name suggestions based on community analytics. Be aware of privacy regulations and competition from other platforms. Remember, your community name is a key identifier, visible in URLs and affecting SEO. Make it count.